we decided to go to Oslo. So we woke up early at 5 a.m. Okay, to go to Sibulan Port, and at 5 a.m. the skies of Dumaguete is on fire of purple and red and yellow during sunrise. It's a wonderful feeling as joggers, fun run by us. We took a tricycle for 150 pesos to take us from our hotel in Dumaguete City to Sibulan Port. Ferry tickets are 140 pesos each, and we had our breakfast nearby the Sibulan Port. From Sibulan Port, we took a ferry to Liloan, and then from Liloan, took a bus that is waiting for us at the port to take us to Oslo bus stop. The ferry left at 6 a.m. and after a 40 pesos bus ride, we were at the whale watching area before 7 a.m. The cost is 500 pesos inclusive of the life vest and goggle.
Jewelries or any other fashion accessories with you, because it may fall accidentally into the water. We are not liable for that.
The fishermen feed the whale sharks every morning, some krill or small shrimps. The feeding schedule causes the whale sharks to return reliably every morning. We were given 30 minutes to swim with the whale sharks. Our time swimming with the whale sharks is up. Time to head back to shore. I had a great time. Wow. Our next stop in Oslo is Tumalog Falls. Mukhang naisahan kami sa Tumalog Falls From the whale watching area, we looked for a tricycle, but there was not a single one available. So we had to take the habal-habal. They charged us 200 pesos round trip. Medyo malayo, so parang okay na rin. And a lot of the parts of the drive is uphill. Upon arrival, we have to transfer to another habal-habal, which is a short distance away. I really recommend that you take the habal-habal, which is only 50 pesos already, round trip. You will not regret it, because if you don't take it, you will have to take a very steep uphill walk. Let's go and come closer to Tumalog Falls. Dahil hindi makapal ang tubig ng Tumalog Falls, misty ang kanyang effect, ang taas niya at ang lapad. Getting closer, it's like a curtain of rain. There was even a bayawak or a monitor lizard near the falls. Let's go into the pool, take a shower, and get wet. Amazing!
Sa ilalim ng Tumalog Falls.
And we had a great time in Tumalog Falls. To end our Tumalog Falls visit, I had my feet bitten by fish in the fish spa pool. After a wonderful day swimming with the whale sharks and showering at Tumalog Falls, we were very hungry and had pizza for dinner.